Welcome to our channel, where we explore the wisdom of yoga philosophy. Today's topic is a powerful reminder that life is indeed fair. In this video, we will delve into the intricate balance of actions and their consequences. So, let's begin our exploration. Often we find ourselves grappling with the notion that life is unfair. We endure hardships and setbacks, pointing fingers at the universe for our misfortunes. But have we considered that it might be our actions shaping the outcomes we face? We're all familiar with those moments when we're confronted with choices, unsure of the right path. It's in those critical junctures that our decisions, influenced by greed, anger, or ignorance, lead us down a murky path. Take, for example, when we spoke harshly, driven by anger, causing pain to another. Later, when we encounter the repercussions of our words, we hastily blame life's unfairness. Yet can we deny that it was our choice that set these consequences in motion? There are times when we become so accustomed to committing wrongful acts that we no longer fear their consequences. This disregard for the moral compass only deepens the karmic debt we accumulate. Eventually, life unfolds, presenting us with the harvest of our deeds. We experience the repercussions, whether positive or negative, that mirror the nature of our actions. It is at this juncture that we often lament, life is unfair, failing to acknowledge the perfect justice in the universe's response. Let's take a moment to reflect on the fairness of life. It's crucial to recognize that life maintains a meticulous record of every action, both good and bad. The law of karma, central to yoga philosophy, emphasizes the equilibrium between actions and their consequences. The law of karma asserts that every action, thought, word, or deed generates a corresponding energy. This energy, like a boomerang, returns to us in due course, shaping the quality of our lives. When we engage in acts of kindness, compassion, and selflessness, we sow seeds of positivity that ultimately blossom into joy, harmony, and abundance. The beauty lies in the fact that life rewards us in proportion to the goodness we spread. Conversely, when we succumb to selfish desires, hurt others, or act in ways that harm the world around us, we set in motion a chain of events that inevitably lead to suffering and turmoil. It is essential to recognize that these repercussions are not the universe's injustice, but rather the repercussions of our own actions. Through self-awareness and introspection, we can gradually attune ourselves to the deep interplay between actions and their consequences. When we become conscious of our choices and their impact, we pave the way for a more harmonious existence. Let us strive to be mindful of our actions, nurturing a sense of responsibility and compassion in all that we do. By tending to our thoughts, words, and deeds, we actively participate in shaping a life that reflects the harmony and balance of the universe. Remember, life is fair. It's our actions that determine the rhythm of the dance. Join us in the next episode as we delve deeper into the ancient teachings of yoga philosophy. Until then, embrace each moment with awareness and kindness. Stay safe, stay sattvic,